2024 brand spanking new BMW 230i. This thing's looking sweet with the Nardo gray paint job. This car is actually a color from Porsche. They stole it. It's not going to say anything more about it, but looks good on the Beamers. We got the Muffy D going up there. You need a special Y, some nice angles. We got some professional fabricators. Marcelo just likes to make noise, just to make noise. He didn't really need to do that. He's lying to you guys. Don't let him lie to you. Don't let him lie to you guys. Anyways, Muffy D going on there. Some other bitch-ass shop just did a resonator delete. They painted it silver, like some you have to bleep that out, but I don't know why. They did it. Not a big fan of that color. Not a big fan of this shop, but they did it. Customers, they don't know about G-Exhaust all the time, guys. So eventually when they find out about us, they come see us. We hook them up. We do it right. We clean up the welds. We make everything look good. We make shit sound good. And in the future, if you do want to make this thing perform a little bit better, there's not much available for it. So custom options are definitely the way to go. Air intake by Dynan or AFE, available at gexhaust.com. Also, G-Exhaust Davey, G-Exhaust Oakland Park. And we got Mike here. He's a special guest today on Saturdays, and he's going to talk more about it. Go ahead, Mike. Spit it.
Could you get like a boiler system or a Corsa system for this car?
So, not available yet. I'm trying to work with Boiler, see if they make anything for BMWs. So, shout out to Boilers. We love you guys, but nothing available for the German market. Not yet. They make stuff for the Supras, which is technically some BMW stuff. We're not saying anything. Our camera guy, Jay, he's holding the camera right now. He has a Supra. It's made by Borla. It's sponsored by Borla. Thank you again, Borla, for the system. It looks sweet, sounds good. Carbon fiber tips, valve controlled. It's the best sounding Supra on the market. Best sounding Supra in South Florida. We did that G-Exhaust, guys. So BMW whole free system coming soon from Borla. And if not, you have Dynan, you have some aftermarket systems available, but this thing's too brand loose to have anything available for it yet. 2024, guys, we're only shop South Florida working on it.
The drone is a little bit rough, but I mean the sound sounds pretty good. What do you think, Jay? Yeah?
I don't know if I could do that every day.
Yeah, it's difficult every day. I don't know if you have kids and shit, but if you're like young, single, trying to turn heads, pull some girls, I think it's a move, bro.